Deep in the heart of Vietnam's central highlands, a world away from the bustling cities, lies Gia Lai. This province, often overlooked by travelers, holds a unique charm that is both captivating and enigmatic. As you venture into this remote region, you are greeted by a landscape that seems almost otherworldly. The rolling hills stretch as far as the eye can see, blanketed in a lush green that is both vibrant and soothing. The air here is crisp and clean, a refreshing change from the smog-filled cities. A province of rugged beauty, shrouded in mist and mystery. The mountains, often cloaked in a thick layer of fog, add an element of mystique to the already stunning scenery. These mist-covered peaks are not just a sight to behold, but also a testament to the untamed nature of this region. The rugged landscapes, with their jagged rocks and dense forests, tell a story of a land that has remained largely untouched by modern development. It's a place where the natural world still holds sway, where the rhythms of nature dictate the pace of life. This is a place where time seems to move slower, where ancient traditions endure, and where nature still reigns supreme. The traditional villages scattered throughout Gia Lai are a window into a way of life that has changed little over the centuries. Here, locals practice customs that have been passed down through generations, preserving a cultural heritage that is rich and diverse. The dense forests that surround these villages are teeming with life, a vibrant ecosystem that supports a wide variety of flora and fauna. It's a reminder of the delicate balance that exists between humans and nature. Forget your preconceptions, lose yourself in the moment. As you explore Gia Lai, you will find yourself immersed in a world that is both familiar and foreign. The serene landscapes with their tranquil beauty invite you to slow down and take in the sights and sounds around you. Whether you are hiking through the forests, visiting a local market, or simply sitting by a quiet stream, you will find that Gia Lai has a way of drawing you in, making you feel at one with your surroundings. Gia Lai is a sensory experience unlike any other. The local markets are a riot of colors, sounds, and smells, offering a glimpse into the daily lives of the people who call this place home. The bustling village scenes, with their vibrant energy, contrast sharply with the serene landscapes that surround them. It's a place where you can experience the best of both worlds, the hustle and bustle of village life, and the peaceful tranquility of nature. The lush scenery, with its verdant hills and clear streams, is a feast for the eyes, a reminder of the beauty that can be found in the most unexpected places. The air is thick with the scent of pine and coffee, the sound of gongs echoing through the valleys. The pine forests, with their towering trees and fragrant needles, create a sense of calm and serenity. The coffee plantations, a testament to the region's agricultural heritage, add a rich, earthy aroma to the air. And the sound of gongs, a traditional form of music in this part of Vietnam, adds a hauntingly beautiful soundtrack to your journey. It's a sensory experience that engages all your senses, making you feel truly alive. It's a place that gets under your skin, stays with you long after you've left. As you prepare to leave Gia Lai, you will find yourself looking back with a sense of nostalgia, a longing to return to this magical place. The memories you make here, the sights you see, the people you meet, will stay with you, a constant reminder of the beauty and wonder of this world unknown. Gia Lai is not just a destination, it's an experience, a journey into the heart of a land that is as mysterious as it is beautiful. Gia Lai has a history as rich and fertile as its volcanic soil. This region, nestled in the central highlands of Vietnam, is a tapestry woven with the threads of time. From its lush green fields to its fertile farmlands, the land itself tells a story of resilience and renewal. The volcanic soil, rich in nutrients, has supported generations of farmers, each season bringing forth new life and sustenance. But the story of Gia Lai is not just one of agriculture. It is a chronicle of human endeavor and cultural evolution. Centuries-old temples and monuments stand as silent witnesses to the rise and fall of empires. These ancient structures, hidden within the dense jungles, speak of a time when kingdoms flourished and then faded into the annals of history. The weathered stone statues with their enigmatic expressions seem to guard the secrets of the past, inviting us to ponder the lives of those who once walked these lands. Each monument, each ruin is a testament to the architectural prowess and spiritual devotion of bygone eras. The ancient kingdom of Champa, the French colonial period, the Vietnam War, each has left its mark on this land. The Champa kingdom, with its rich culture and maritime prowess, once dominated this region, leaving behind a legacy of art and architecture. The French colonial era introduced new architectural styles and cultural influences, blending with the local traditions to create a unique historical tapestry. The scars of the Vietnam War are still visible, a poignant reminder of the struggles and sacrifices endured by the people of Gia Lai. Each period has contributed to the complex and multifaceted identity of this region. You can feel the weight of history here, in the crumbling ruins, the stories passed down through generations. The overgrown vegetation intertwines with the ancient stones, creating a sense of timelessness. Local villagers, the keepers of oral traditions, share tales of heroism, love, and loss, ensuring that the legacy of their ancestors is never forgotten. These stories, rich with emotion and wisdom, provide a deeper understanding of the cultural heritage that defines Gia Lai. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of the enduring power of the human spirit. As you explore these ancient ruins and historical sites, you are not just witnessing the remnants of the past, you are connecting with the essence of humanity's journey. The serene landscapes, dotted with historical ruins, offer a space for reflection and introspection. Here, amidst the echoes of the past, you find a profound appreciation for the resilience and creativity that have shaped the world we live in today. Gia Lai is a melting pot of ethnicities, each with its own unique traditions and beliefs. The Jarai, the Banar, the Ed, their cultures are woven together like the intricate patterns of their traditional textiles. Step into a local village, and you'll be greeted with warmth and hospitality. Share a meal with a family, listen to their stories, and you'll begin to understand the true meaning of community. Pleiku, the capital of Gia Lai, is a city caught between tradition and modernity. Wide boulevards lined with French colonial architecture give way to bustling markets and serene pagodas. It's a city of contrasts, where you can sip Vietnamese coffee in a sidewalk cafe, then wander through ancient temples hidden in the surrounding hills. Gia Lai is a paradise for nature lovers. Bien Ho Lake, known as the Sea Lake, shimmers like a sapphire amidst the rolling hills. Legend has it that the lake was formed by the tears of a grieving widow. And then there's Chudang Ya Volcano, dormant for centuries, its slopes now blanketed in lush coffee plantations. Hike to the summit, and you'll be rewarded with panoramic views that will take your breath away. The people of Gia Lai celebrate life with a passion that's infectious. Festivals are a riot of color, music, and dance. The buffalo sacrifice ceremony, a traditional Jarai ritual, is a testament to their deep connection to the land. Witnessing these celebrations is a privilege, a glimpse into a world where ancient beliefs and customs are still very much alive. Gia Lai's cuisine is as diverse as its people. Nestled in the central highlands of Vietnam, this region is a melting pot of cultures and traditions, each contributing to the rich tapestry of flavors that define its culinary landscape. The local markets are a sensory overload, with the vibrant colors of fresh produce, the sizzle of meats on the grill, and the intoxicating aromas of herbs and spices filling the air. From the smoky flavors of grilled meats to the delicate aromas of bamboo-cooked rice, every dish tells a story. The grilled meats, often marinated in a blend of local spices, are a testament to the region's love for bold, robust flavors. Meanwhile, the bamboo-cooked rice, known as cam lam, offers a more subtle yet equally captivating taste experience. This dish is not just food, it's a reflection of the ingenuity and resourcefulness of the people who call Gia Lai home. Don't miss the cam lam, bamboo rice cooked over an open fire, which is a staple in the local diet. The process of making cam lam is an art form in itself. The rice is soaked, seasoned, and then packed into bamboo tubes, which are placed over an open flame. The result is a dish that is both fragrant and flavorful, with a unique texture that is slightly chewy yet tender. Or the pho, a dry noodle soup with a rich savory broth. Unlike the more famous pho, which is served in a bowl of steaming broth, pho is served with the broth on the side. This allows you to control the amount of broth you add, creating a personalized dining experience. The noodles are typically topped with a variety of meats and fresh herbs, making each bite a delightful mix of textures and flavors. And of course, no trip to Gia Lai would be complete without sampling the local coffee. The coffee culture here is deeply ingrained in daily life, with cafes dotting every corner. Whether you prefer it hot or iced, black or with condensed milk, Gia Lai's coffee is sure to leave a lasting impression. The rich, bold flavor of the coffee is a result of the unique growing conditions in the region. Grown on the volcanic slopes of Chudangya, it's some of the best in the world. The volcanic soil provides the perfect environment for coffee plants to thrive, resulting in beans that are rich in flavor and aroma. The harvesting process is done by hand, ensuring that only the best beans are selected. This attention to detail is what sets Gia Lai's coffee apart from the rest, making it a must-try for any coffee enthusiast. Whether you're trekking through the jungle, kayaking on Bien Ho Lake, or simply soaking up the local culture, Gia Lai offers something for everyone. This is a place to escape the ordinary, to challenge yourself, to connect with nature and with yourself. So, pack your bags, leave your expectations behind, and discover the magic of Gia Lai. Gia Lai is a place that stays with you long after you've said goodbye. It's the warmth of the people, the beauty of the landscape, the feeling of being transported to another time and place. It's a reminder that there are still places in the world where life is simple, where traditions endure, and where the human spirit is truly free. Gia Lai, you have my heart.